Last year's pretty good crowd, being the first time at that facility. Hopefully it gets a little bit more traction, and vendors and customers alike both get to the show. We're a short line equipment company. We deal with 3 major products: Drago, Hoosier, Honeybee, and we do not sell any product that we do not use on our own farm. Some smaller equipment as far as row cleaners, precision planting parts, closing wheels, the aftermarket items that it needs to make a guy's planter customized the way they want to. Started off in 2007 would have been our first farm show at the Indiana State Coliseum. Went from there to, I believe it was last year was the first year we went to Grand Park. And for us, it was a great move from as far as getting equipment there. Easy setup, it's a big, neat building that's, draws a crowd just looking at the facility as well.